So it's almost football season, and it doesn't matter which team you root for. What does matter is what are you eating during the game. And we're starting a new series called Ultimate Dips. First up, classic guacamole with chicharrón. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
Okay, so here we have our pork belly. I got this from Walmart, already pre-sliced. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it in a pan along with some onion, some bay leaves, some peppercorns. I'm also going to add some coriander seeds. Then I'm going to add about 4 cups of water, a little bit of salt, and then we're going to braise this for about 45 minutes, and then we'll be ready to make the chicharrón. Okay, so now we want to start our guacamole, and I have 2 cloves of garlic here that I'm just going to smash and remove the skin. And I'm placing it in a mortar and pestle. I like using a mortar and pestle because I like to grind the garlic so that it has that beautiful perfume. And I'll give it a quick smash. And we'll start to grind it. Now for the star of the show, the Hass avocado. We're just going to take a knife and run it across and then twist to reveal that beautiful avocado. And then with a spoon, we'll just remove that flesh. Now it's very important that you use ripe avocado. And if your avocado is not ripe, you can place the avocados in a brown paper bag along with a banana, which will help to ripen the avocado. And the last avocado, I'm using 4. Okay, then we're going to smash the avocado. Okay, so now I want to add some lime juice. I like to add the lime juice a little bit as I go because I don't want to add too much lime juice. I don't want to make it too limey. And we're going to add some salt. And don't be afraid of the salt. It's really what's going to give it that flavor, as well as some cumin. Give this a quick mix. I transferred to another bowl so I can add diced tomatoes, red onion, serrano peppers, and cilantro. Then we'll put it back in the mortar and pestle to serve. And we're going to give that a good mix. I'm gonna put the pit back in right in the center. I'm gonna wrap it until our chicharrón is done. Okay, so here I have the pork belly that has been braising for about 45 minutes, and I put it on paper towels, and I'm just going to blot it to remove that excess moisture, because now we are going to begin to fry it first at a low temperature, and then we're going to finish it at a high temperature. In a pan, I'm going to add manteca, which is pork lard. So this is about a pound. Okay, so you want your oil to be around 200 degrees. We're just going to add our chicharrón. Then we're going to allow this to fry at a low temperature for about an hour. And I know that seems like a long time, but if you really want crispy chicharrón, you kind of have to submit to that cooking time. It's going to allow for all that moisture to evaporate and that skin to become super crispy and get that real crackly sound. And then after an hour, we'll remove the chicharrón, bring it up to a higher temperature, and then do a final fry. Okay, now our chicharrón is ready to come off. And then we're going to bring the temperature of this oil up to 375, 400 degrees. Now we're going to add the chicharrón back. Now we're going to get nice and crispy. Okay, so here we have the chicharrón, and guac dip.
If you like this video, click the recipe tab in the video description, which will take you to our recipe page on Provincial, where you'll get a printer-ready format of the recipe that links directly to Instacart, so you can shop for all the ingredients instantly. You can also follow along with the video as you make something sabroso.
Todo queda sabroso.